Without Krishna knowledge, we cannot be blissful. By the nature, we are blissful. In the Brahma Sutra and Vedanta Sutra, it is stated, Anandamaya Abhyasat. Every living entity is Brahma. Living entity is Brahma and Krishna is also Param Brahma. The Brahma and Param Brahma, both of them by the nature, joyful. We want enjoyment, joyful. So our joyfulness is connection with Krishna. Just like fire and sparks of fire. The sparks of fire so long manifested with the fire. It is beautiful. And as soon as the sparks of fire fall down with the main fire, oh, it is extinguished, more beautiful. So, always chant Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. तो प्रेम से बोलो राधे राधे।
जगतरे पाइबुनी एमिति ठाकुरटी